2743 46th Avenue Southwest. This is a sewer scope from a clean out on the north side of the property. We're sitting down at the stub to the city main right there. It's a little bit of offset I cannot get over. On the top right hand side of your screen, that'll be the entrance there into the actual main. So this is just the stub coming off of it. So we got zeroed out there. I'm gonna pull back, get a measurement count on my 6-inch material. This is 6-inch diameter clay pipe here. Now we're back into 6-inch diameter concrete pipe. Here's our 4x6 transition. So here we're in 6-inch pipe. I'm going to zero my footage out, pull back through 4-inch. Alright, so 17 feet of 4. And then we're back through PVC all the way back here. There's our access point. I'm going to end the recording.